Welcome to another exciting, super exciting episode of DAFT, Dumb Apple Farmer Talks. Today though, we're not talking about apples really. I mean, our season is getting ready to start. We open August the 1st and it's only 2 days away. Apples are starting to be ripe. We're going to pick pristine here starting tomorrow. And then one variety leads into another week leads into another, and off we go to the races with apple season. This is our Blueberry Bonanza weekend coming up, featuring, of course, fresh blueberries like these Bluecrop blueberries. Fantastic eating. They're great for freezing, okay? Blueberries, one of the great things about them is you can do the whole thing with most fruit, you know, like raspberries or whatever, put them out on a cookie sheet and freeze them individually, and they freeze into little marbles, like frozen fruit marbles, and that's great for the winter time. Blueberries, though, you can stick this whole dang box in your freezer, and they still freeze like marbles. It's a great deal, okay? So a lot of our customers just buy these. Some customers buy 10, 20 boxes of these, stick them in their freezer, and then all winter long, they're just great little winter treats, man. It is just so great to have fresh, frozen, whatever you want to call it, fruit that you can really believe in to brighten up them long, cold winter days. And we also like to bake with them. Now, my mother, her name's Beverly. We call her Bevo. She is famous in our area, up in Michigan, for Bevo's Blueberry Buckle. So that's one of the things we always focus on, is some kind of a sweet treat at the orchard here, and this weekend it is none other than Bevo's famous Blueberry Buckle. Say that quick, about 12 times. You'll be ready for a piece of buckle. Blueberry Buckle is like a blueberry cake, but on top is this great crumble topping, and it is just so freaking good, it's unbelievable. It should be illegal. It probably is in some states, okay? Come out this weekend, Blueberry Bonanza, Bevo's Blueberry Buckle, fresh Bluecrop blueberries, blueberry pies, anything else you can imagine.